Hi everyone, are you looking for the best cheap blender under $100? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find the best blender of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the 5 best cheap blenders for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links for the blenders are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the blender is Qcooker CDHB01 Electric Portable Hand Blender. You can use it for multiple purposes. You can extract juices and can use them for bean products too. You can make rice paste, corn juice, 5 bowls of cereal, etc. in this blender. You can operate it at 2 speeds. Because it is provided with a 2-speed setting, you will get great speed and service because of its full copper core DC motor, which can run up to 12,500 revolutions per minute. You will get great stainless steel with it. It is provided with high hardness 304 stainless steel. You can save space because its storage bracket saves space. You don't have to worry about heavy noise and a peaceful environment. Because it can work with low noise, you will be pleased with its high performance and high quality. It is also provided with an anti-splash head design. You don't have to panic much to clean this product. It has a removable design for easy cleaning. In at number 4, the best blender is Biolomix BPA-free 500-watt portable blender mixer. You can fulfill multiple purposes like making fruit juice, soy milk, smoothie, ice drink. You can also grind the coffee, chop meat, and can do many more with this device. You can easily make the recipe with this product. Because it is provided with a powerful high-quality motor, it is also provided with stainless steel blades. You can save your precious time by using it. Because by using it, you can make juice in 15 seconds, while maintaining fruit nutrition. You will get a very convenient fruit blender by purchasing it. You will be able to bring a bottle of fruit juice and go anywhere. You can save your time by purchasing this food processor, doing all these much quicker than do it with a knife. You can save energy by using it. Because of its energy efficient with low power consumption, it has a compact design and that is why it is easy to store. It is provided with a beautiful and great design, which makes it easy to clean. In at number 3, the best blender is Biolomix, a 8700, 2200 watt BPA-free commercial grade blender. Now Biolomix just launched top-of-the-range blender flagship model A8700 with built-to-last quality. It is a perfect choice for enhancing your family's healthy food with increased nutrient availability and digestibility. With a high-powered motor, uniquely designed blades, super tough container, and easy-to-use controls, the Biolomix will quickly replace the majority of your current kitchen appliances and become your all-in-one kitchen machine. The peak 2200-watt commercial-grade motor with hardened 6 stainless steel can easily break ice cubes and frozen fruits. It makes the large ice cube to small slush. Benefit from the whole food by thoroughly pulverizing the ice cubes, frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and much more. Its variable speeds allow you to handle a variety of ingredients. Use the 6-speed control knob to go between low and high speeds, even while mid-blend. Tap or hold down the switch to pulse foods like ice cubes, chunky salads, nuts, grains. The 2-liter food safety plastic jar is convenient, lightweight which is free from potentially harmful BPA, and is also extremely durable and hard-wearing. The jar is also conically shaped which helps food to be drawn down into the blades more effectively, creating a smoother and finer result. No need to remove the blades. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Biolomix can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds with high speed. The non-slip base and noise reduction rubber cushion make it much quieter than those in the market. It comes with an extended 7-year warranty for the motor and a 1-year warranty for all parts and accessories. In at second place, the blender is Digital 3 HP, 2-liter automatic touchpad professional blender. In this blender, You can make your own homemade recipes from smoothies, sauces, sorbets, and soups. Its features will help you to make different recipes with ease. You will get a powerful service because of its powerful motor, which is designed to maximize power and user convenience. You will get a well-controlled service, because you can control the speed where needed, that even with a single button. You can crush frozen fruits and ice with ease with its stainless steel blades. It gives a quality service with some great features, because it is provided with some separable precision casting blades. You don't have to worry about a sudden shock to the machine, because the speed of it increases gradually. Not only that, but you will also get convenient power cord storage. You will also get a super fast speed at its peak. You will get 3 horsepower and 33 revolutions per minute. You will get help even in the darkness, because the machine is provided with a LED display. It is also provided with a 2-liter BPA-free jar. In at number 1, the best blender is Biolomix BMG02 3000 watt max powerful meat grinder. In this grinder, you can make anything from hamburgers and hot dogs to meatloaf and hot peppers with a variety of attachments. You will also get the accessories including 3 metal grinding plates, 3 sausage filler inlets, a meat loading tray, a kibba attachment, and a food pusher to guide the food down the chute. By purchasing this meat grinder, you will get a motor that grinds 1.2 kilograms of meat per minute with a peak power of 3000 watt. You can also maintain grinding without any interruption because its reverse function prevents clogging. You will get more tender results because some meat can be ground twice. However, in the case of fatty meat, you should ground it only once. Those days are gone when the only place for grinding meat was behind the counter at the local butcher's shop. Now you will be able to grind your meat easily at home. Grinding meat at home allows you to control exactly what goes into your food. It also allows you to choose the perfect grind for specific recipes. You should clean all parts well in warm water. You should also dry the parts immediately after washing for longer service life. You should never wash the parts in the dishwasher. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.